Well, howdy YouTube. Let me get a little closer to my Chevy. Well, I'm going to keep it real short for y'all because you clicked on this video. Have something pretty informative, but short, so then you can get to it yourself. We're just going to be installing a 14-inch Edelbrock air cleaner on my TBI 350 95. It's the last year. They were TBIs before they went full fuel injected. So here's the Edelbrock product that I'm using. Here's the VIN number for y'all, 1223. One thing extra I did have to get in order to successfully install my new Edelbrock air cleaner was this Spectre Performance TBI air cleaner stud. When you're getting this, make sure, well, let me give you the VIN number first, 4215. One thing when you are installing these air filters, you most likely have to swap them to a one stud, which is in the middle of your throttle body in between the two butterfly valves, and it's already a pre-drilled hole, so you can do that. But just make sure when you're getting this, I gave you the VIN number. This is only like $3. The air cleaner was $30. Man, they get you with shipping. My stud that I ordered was $10. This thing was $3. It was $7 for shipping. Bunch of bull crap. And then my air cleaner was $30, and it was like $15 for shipping. Then with taxes, like $5 or $6, so it was like $50. So I spent a total of like $60 on this, but it's gonna look a lot better than this junk. But yeah, that's just one thing to keep in mind. You're gonna have to get this little stud, but again, it's not that much. It's to get you on the shipping part, and you just gotta make sure that it is for jam motors, and it's for TBI especially. Okay, well, the next thing you do, you move your little thing that's holding on your old air cleaner, which I used to have too, but then when we had the mechanic fully checked out my 350, we lost the other one, so that sucks. Let's pick up this piece of junk. Won't be needing you anymore. Get this piece of junk Walmart air filter out of here. And I'll be back in a second. My hose clamp, this is some kind of 90s technology of rerunning the exhaust back through the intake, because that's my exhaust manifold right there. Goes straight out, and apparently it's smart to, you know, bring it back up and put it in your air intake to burn it through the engine the second time. But we're just gonna cap that off. I'm not sure about the size yet, but we're gonna cap it off and it'll be fine. It's a Chevy. Oh yes, got my nut driver to make things easier. Well, it's loose enough. Last thing is to get the rest of this junk out of here. Pick this up, wiggle this out of there. Oh god dang, it's stuck for the first time. I ain't no doctor. I know there's a lot of things wrong with my truck, but first off, let's check out the old air intake. Took me about 15 minutes to get this, well, I can't say the word, but I think we know what I was trying to say. Put it in captions now. Super, yeah, it's, not so clean in there. It's, well, we're finally done with this junk now. Gone forever. Oh, dang. Okay, well, on to the new stuff. Well, let's get the air cleaner out first. It's very nice and packaged well. Oh yes, here's the Edelbrock. I've been waiting for you for a long time. It's gonna sit real nice right there. And first we gotta remove our 2 studs. And again, like I told you at the beginning of the video, leave those nuts in, because that's what's holding your throttle body together on the engine. And we're gonna mount our new TBI stud right there. Well, we got the 2 studs off, got some brake cleaner and cleaned up the throttle body. You can see the actual badging again, looks pretty nice. Bye studs. On with the new one. It's gonna go right here. We've got the new single stud on TBI now, threaded in pretty nice. Good thing about this Spectre, you can adjust the height, and we'll figure that out in a second. I'm putting the new Edelbrock on. She's on good. Hardly any wiggle at all. Looks way nicer, and I got a lot more space here now. We're gonna take this off, get rid of that, take that off. I'm gonna put a sealant cap here. It's actually the pressure thing, but I don't need that. Have this air intake thing down here the whole time, but nothing comes out of it. Some kind of EPA thing. The truck sounds a lot better. It's a lot louder now, and I love it. We'll get one little test. I'm gonna do a little testing on Mean Green, and I'm really happy with the air cleaner. We're gonna see what we can get done with this thing. That's factory.